So preparation for the Hornby chassis to take an Avonside body. First of all, you're going to need to file down the edges on the loto and a little bit round the back where there's a ridge for the original moulding, and we need to make sure that the chassis isn't affected by the filing, so we separate the chassis from the lower body. So you unscrew the screw. Not all of them have screws holding it down, depends on the model. So some do, some don't, but it makes no difference because they are clipped in. So we just use some pliers and unclip, and there we are, on its way out. Be very careful in getting it out because it's got little springs on the side which hold the motor on, and these tend to catch, so you have to make sure it comes out cleanly. Depending on the body, some need a little bit more metal taking off than others, so just go very carefully, make a start. Use a small file. If you use a big one, it tends to overrun and you take a lot of metal off somewhere else where you don't want it. So first cut is to file it down and make sure it's even top to bottom, and you can tell by just looking at it if it's an even width all the way down. You know you're doing the right thing. Okay, so that needs the same on both sides. That does happen as well. You need a steady hand. And we also need to go around the sides. Take the edge off towards the back. If it's a nice smooth run at the top, it helps sliding the body on in any case. So just get that a bit smoother. And we'll have a go at this ridge at the back. But we want to make this, it doesn't have to come off all the way down, but takes some of it off, just helps that little bit for the body to slide on. And again, if you smooth it at the top, that's another help. Okay, so that's a start, and then the next thing is a trial fit. The filing's all done, the chassis reassembled, and it's time to fit the body. Now, before we do that, we check the springs that hold the motor mount on, or hold the motor on rather. They have got a loop on each end, and if they stick out too much, you have to get a pair of pliers and twist them so that they sit more or less vertically. Now these on this particular one are okay, But if you do get them, they can come out and they stick right out, and because it doesn't matter with the other original Hornby body, but with this one it does. So make sure that they're sitting pretty well vertical by doing a little twist with a pair of long nose pliers. Now we try the body. Chassis assembled, body goes on thus, and the springs still catch a little bit, so we'll give them a little helping hand to go inside the body. That's one side done, and the other side done. I've still got one. Dear dear. That's it. Body on and job done. There you have it, one Avonside, which isn't a bad looking loco.